What's up guys, hope you all are doing absolutely great and welcome back to another episode of Tips and Tricks. And in this episode of Tips and Tricks, we're going to see how you can see everything inside of a Mac. And if I mean everything, then I mean everything, literally everything inside of a Mac. So let's go and check it out. Alright everyone, right now you can see we are inside of our Mac, and here you can see one application, and this application is called Omnidix Sweeper. The link of this application is in the description, so go download it right now because it is going to help you a lot. So just install it like every Mac application. And here's the Omnidix Sweeper, and it will help you a lot, and it will at least give you a very good idea what is inside of your Mac. You can literally see everything inside of your Mac. Let's go to the Omnidix Sweeper, wait it to load, open, and choose your hard drive. Here is my Untitled hard drive. This is my 128 GB SSD, and after that it will just do sizing for a little bit, like it will take 1 minute maximum. So I think it will take a little more time to size all of the things, but let me show you what is exactly you can do inside of this application. So here is the application folder where you have all the applications, like I have Final Cut Pro, Adobe Photoshop, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, Excel, Auditions, and all other applications. And I can literally go inside of every applications and see what's inside of all of those applications with the megabyte size and the files extension. I know that we can do sort of these things inside of our Finder, but it is very limiting. As you can see, we're inside of our system, library, desktop, pictures, and inside of this we have the Mojave day. And if we click on this place, we can exactly go inside of that place and we can view all of our file, and it's exactly a very large file, 287 MB. Here you can see the photo, and this is literally 287 MB, and we can literally see all of those things over here, 287, 287.4, 21, and all of the things. We can see inside of the user, here's the user, like all of the things, and library. And inside of library we will have all the extensions, file backups, and things like that. I have the Adobe's camera, raw filters, and we have all of those things in just one place, and we can mess with all of the things very easily. And that is what we can do with the help of Omnidix Sweeper. Even if we want to clean some scripts or even some application packages, we can exactly do so. I know that it's a little professional type of things, but every Mac user should have this application because it will help you a lot to save your storage sometimes. Because if you are using Adobe After Effects, it will generate a lot of files, and you can simply delete all of them with the help of this Omnidix Sweeper. That is what I was doing when I was using Adobe After Effects or even Apple's Motion. And here's the private sections where you cannot exactly delete anything, but at least you can see what's inside of your Mac, like some packages or scripts, again like database, some database, like what is your Mac exactly doing when you are using Photos application or Notes application. You can have all of those things reference on these private database sections or even folder sections. So that is how inside we can get of a Mac with the help of this Omnidix Sweeper. So it's really convenient and amazing. You should definitely check this application out. It will help you to know the most about your Mac, what's inside, what's going on. You can literally notice everything. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you guys really did, be sure to subscribe, be sure to press the bell icon, and be sure to do whatever you want to do for this kind of amazing tips and tricks videos on our channel, because I think you will love all of them. Anyway, that's all. Goodbye.